The very last step for your Kandinsky painting is just going to be wait for it to be completely dry. So if you have to do any more painting today, today is not the day you're going to do this step. You have to wait for it to dry. Mine is completely dry. I let it dry overnight. So I have my Ticonderoga marker. This is the same marker I used in the beginning to draw everything. All I'm doing is going to go over my lines again, because some of them got covered up a little bit with paint. So as you can see when I go along with this marker, how much better it already looks. So I want to be very careful when I do this because I want to go over the same lines that I had before. I don't want to make any new lines. And I love these Ticonderoga markers because they don't bleed very easily. And they also dry really fast, so a lot of times you don't really have to worry about the marker being wet when you go over it with your hand. And think about what shape you're tracing. A lot of times my students just start tracing lines, but I just traced a circle. So now I'm going to trace another circle instead of just following whatever line you think and then it doesn't end up looking like a shape. Like I'm not going to trace like this, I'm going to trace a whole circle. When you get done, I want you to show it to the teacher, because a lot of times we think we're done and somebody else can see something. Actually, if you want to just show it to your partner, that would be good. That way you don't have to show the teacher, and maybe they might see a line that you missed. This line got completely covered. Okay, so all you do is trace all your lines and you're finished.